What is going on, you guys? Larry Star 1999 on YouTube. Well, I figured we're gonna make a street truck, and I figured this one would be the perfect candidate for our street truck. Um, First things first, obviously, we're throwing on slicks. I know they're probably going to be the most expensive part of the build, and we're painting it black, and yes, blacked out window tint, because why not? And those rims got to go. But yeah, I figured for today we do a nice street truck build. The only problem is I am running low on cash, so that's what sucks. And yeah, they need to be white lettered. And if you're wondering what I'm going to do to the front axle, I am putting this on. One, because I want to, and two, why not? And forgot to put heavy duty, because why not? Luckily I have gold for it. But again, I have been saving gold too. But yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit of a nice street truck drag build. That horn never gets old. You could agree to that one, man, right? Comment down below if you guys think that's probably the best car horn I got. I know a truck horn would be nice, but I don't have the whatchamacallit. I almost might get it. I have to figure out how I'm going to do it and all that. So I'm trying to think what else we're going to need for this. Sure. I could put lights on, but we don't want those. And that's dumb. You can't put the spare wheel like in the bed. We don't really need a winch. I could do. I want these. Nope, I want repair pack. Big block, yep. Definitely need big block. I'm trying to think what I want to do to the suspension. We're going to make the shocks big. Obviously, bigger shocks always help. You know, especially to distribute weight. I am going to make the front tire smaller. But I'm going to get right now working on the rims. And then we're going to the rear. And we're going to make it wider. We're going to go to that. That for the width. I am probably going to be lowering it. But I'm going to... yeah, probably make it stiffer and lowering it would probably be a better idea. The only reason I'm going to lower it, because again, this is going to be a street truck. So mostly... oh, we got... did I not change the shocks? Gosh darn it. I thought I changed them, but apparently I didn't. But yeah, this is based off a build I did on my other phone. And So far, it's looking pretty good. But I will say it does need to probably come down on ride height. And I might have to put a little bit smaller tires. Because we got to be able to clear, so the radius is going to have to come down a bit. Oh, I forgot to paint the whatchamacallit. Yes. Oh crap, we're almost out of money. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. We're almost out of cash, man. Yeah, we're going for some extreme flames on this. It almost looks like a fire chicken, actually, a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that actually does look good. I don't know why. I actually like that. That's hot. But yeah. I am going to put nitrous on it. Yeah, I want a big block. Well, that's the power we're going to... Shit. I wish on my cast I forgot to switch it to a manual. Achievement unlocked. Yep. And the worst part is I have out of money. Yep. Well. Give me a minute. If you know it's a little bit quieter, one of my speakers just died. These are battery powered, so it looks like I have to charge one, which that sparks tons of joy. But I figured, let's find out what we do in our drag time. Nice. That was pretty good on the drag time. Again, this is a street truck. I mean, I'm gonna make this to be clear. I'm not making this up. You know, like sometimes some people use short beds as drag trucks. I forgot to do. I don't like the way they do the camera stuff yet. All right. It might have to be a little bit smaller, the front tire, but kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for this cool build. I am going to do a part 2 on it once I get some more upgrades and parts and also money in the game. I'm going to have to do some runs and all that because I am broke again. And I got to charge the speaker, and that's going to irritate me. So we'll see you all in the next one.